Hey everyone, here's how we resin 3D printed Sylvie's crown from Disney's Loki.
First, we downloaded the files from Do3D.com and pulled them into Mesh Mixer, where we were able to view all of the files and split them up into pieces small enough to fit on our resin 3D printer.
Next, we pulled all the pieces into Chitu Box, oriented the pieces on the build plate, generated supports, and then sliced.
Next, we loaded each piece into our Elegoo Mars 2 Pro and resin 3D printed them using Elegoo ABS-like photopolymer resin.
Next, we used the Elegoo Wash and Cure station to wash any uncured resin off the prints.
Using the same machine, we post-cure the print, which shines UV light onto every surface, curing any uncured resin.
We then assembled the pieces, resin welding with a UV flashlight.
It's just some gold spray paint. This is Krylon Premium Metallic 18 karat gold, and it is our favorite gold spray paint. It lays really nice and smooth and even. It really takes about 1 to 2 light coats in order to get a good finish. So we'll go ahead and run this and see how it turns out.
And here it is, the final piece, all painted and weathered and distressed a little bit with some oil paints. Thanks for watching.